Hi! Alright, let's start with week 1 of our level 2 Python course. If you want to watch level 1, please check the description box for the playlist. We are going to start with the first topic in this course. Are you excited? I am so excited. So, let us start. We are going to see about loops. Loops are a very important topic in programming. We will use it many times when we write programs. So we are going to see what is a loop, why do we need loops, and how to write loops. So let's start with the first question. So what is a loop? A loop is repeating the same task again and again. Sometimes we say, I was listening to the song in a loop. And when we play games also, we go in a loop and repeat the same thing again and again. In the same way, when we want Python to repeat a code block again and again, we can put it in a loop. We can make Python repeat the same work 10 times, 100 times, and even 1 million times, or even more if we want. Very interesting, correct? Okay, so coming to our next question, why do we need loops? Why do we have to do things again and again? Let me explain. What will you do if you want Python to print, hello students, welcome to codePannu 5 times? We will write the print statement 5 times, correct? So we will write the statement once. So let me write, okay? So I write print within single quotes, welcome to codePannu. Now what will we do? We will copy this sentence and paste it 4 times below, right? Alright, so now this is done. So now let me save the file and run the code. So the sentence is printed 5 times. Correct, right? Now imagine that instead of a single line code, we have a big block of code. For example, if the if condition block we wrote in our guessing genie program. So let me open that code. Alright, so let me go here and let me open this code. Okay, so now what do we do if we want the code block to repeat 5 times? So we can copy it and then paste it 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we have pasted it again and again. So we know that, but our program has got very long, right? So let me go through this. So you see that the program is really long, right? So now imagine what will happen if we want to run this 100 times, or rather if we want this code block 100 times. So what happens if we paste this 100 times? It will be very confusing to read, correct? We will also make many mistakes when we copy and paste, correct? So this is why we need loops. So using loops, we can tell Python to run the same code block many times without writing that code block again and again. Also, because we are not writing the same code block again and again, the number of lines in our code will be very less and it will make our code very easy to read. So we have one more important question, which is how to write loops in Python. So we will see that very soon in our upcoming videos. So see you in the next video. As always, if you have questions, you can comment below and codepannu.com team will try to answer to your questions. See you soon.